name is Genevieve Clara Gianmardi, and I'm from Savier Animation. My program class is digital drawing, and today I will present to you my portfolio. The concept and idea is to draw Mitsuri. I chose to draw her because she is really pretty, and I really like her as a character. It comes from a popular anime called Demon Slayer. My idea is to draw Mitsuri going on a mission to the beach, and since I really like the view of a sunset, I decided to draw a sunset for the background. 2D production. For sketching, I use a bunch of techniques for the head, hair, and half of the body. For line art, I trace the necessary lines and ignore the lines that are needed. For coloring, I use pen, and bucket. Other than that, I also use clipping, so it only colors on the part that I want. I also use blend and blur to blend the colors. For shading, I shaded the character by shading it with blend and blur to get the perfect gradient. For composition, I use Photoshop. I combine the characters and the background by adjusting the light and color to make it look better. Breakdown. For sketching, I sketched the head, then the hair, then the body and clothes, then the face. For coloring, I colored Mitsuri according to the anime and shaded it according to the light. For composition, I combined the character and the background. Detailed presentation. For the technique, I use transform, blur, clipping mask, and color balance. For the tools, I use pen, blend, brush, lasso, and line. My goal of this presentation is to gain experience, improving my drawing skills and imagination. For the software, I use Clip Studio and Photoshop. The time management is 2 days. This is the final result, and I hope I can improve my drawing skills, and I hope it will be useful in the future. Thank you, Savier Animation, and thank you everyone. Bye.